Hi, I am Paul Chin. Welcome to x64dbg Scripting for Reverse Engineering, a course tailored for both beginners and experienced individuals in ethical hacking and reverse engineering. This hands-on program dives into x64dbg scripting, teaching you how to automate reverse engineering tasks, modify memory, alter control flow, and test complex software protections, all essential skills for security researchers. Scripting provides a powerful advantage by saving time and enabling precise, repeatable actions which boost efficiency and consistency in your work. Through practical scenarios, you'll master scripting in x64dbg, enhancing both your effectiveness and confidence in reverse engineering. Whether you are sharpening existing skills or exploring ethical hacking, this course equips you to tackle real-world challenges heads-on. Join me to start mastering x64dbg scripting. What you will learn. In this course, you will learn x64 and x86 scripting, learn the new handle prop algorithm for reversing that has never been taught before, automate repeatable tasks in reverse engineering, automate scanning of memory stack and parameter windows to locate critical regions, directly accessing and modifying main memory and modifying the stack and registers, x64 and x86 calling conventions, using scripts to reverse program logic and file patching and process memory patching, using scripts to remove next screens, enable disabled buttons, alter control flow logic, using scripts to reverse packed programs and bypass encryption without unpacking, using scripts to do array of bytes AOB scanning to solve ASLR protection and overwrite process memory, automated scriptable reversing of no-strings programs, hiding debugger from anti-debugger protection, creating keygens using scripts to test, analyze, and evaluate UPX, VM Protect, Enigma, and Termida protectors, and more. Who this course is for? It is for students who have completed my courses on reverse engineering, or anyone who has already have a knowledge on how to use x64dbg, security researchers and reverse engineers, or anyone interested to learn how to automate and speed up reverse engineering using scripts. Prerequisites. Number 1. Preferably completed any course in reverse engineering. 2. Windows OS running Intel 64 architecture. 3. Preferably already know how to use x64dbg. My background: I was semi-retired college lecturer with a PhD in computer science, and I've been teaching more than 25 years in this field. So I welcome you to this course, and I hope to see you inside.